morning children. Now I am going to 10th sum. F of x equal to modulus of x plus x. Modulus means there are two possibilities. A value must be negative or a value must be positive. G of x given modulus of x minus x. Modulus means a value must be negative or a value must be positive. So f of x equal to first modulus of x replacing by minus x plus x 0 if x less than 0. Modulus of x replacing by x plus x 2x if x greater than or equal to 0. Then g of x equal to modulus of x replacing by minus x minus 2x if x less than 0. Modulus of x replacing by x minus x 0 if x greater than or equal to 0. The given question, find f composite g and g composite f. We know the formula f composite g equal to formula f of g of x. G composite f equal to formula g of f of x. First, f composite g, let x less than 0. F composite g formula f of g of x. F of g of x less than 0, g of x minus 2x. F of inside of the bracket x, f of x 0, so 0. Then when let x greater than or equal to 0, so f composite g formula f of g of x greater than or equal to 0, g of x 0. F of x greater than or equal to 0, 2x, x 0, 2 into 0, 0. Second one, g composite f, let x less than 0, g composite f, g of x, g of x less than 0, f of x 0. G of x minus 2x 0, 0 into any term is 0. Then let x greater than or equal to 0, g composite f, g of x greater than or equal to 0, f of x 2x, g of x greater than or equal to 0, 0. I'll going to 11th sum. 11th sum, result number 1. To prove F plus G composite H equal to F composite H plus G composite H. F plus G composite H of X. This bracket term you take it for F composite H. We know the formula. F composite H formula. F of H of X. F plus G H of X. F inside multiplying F of H of X, G inside multiplying G of H of X. Here you write F of H of X, that is F composite H of X, G of H of X, G composite H of X. You can removing X. So F plus G composite H of X. You removing X. Therefore F plus G composite H equal to F composite H plus G composite H. Result number 1. Result number 2. What can you say about F composite G plus H of X? This bracket term you take it for G. F composite G. We know the formula. F composite G formula. F of G of X. F of G plus H of X. So F of G into X, G of X, H into X, H of X. So F into G of X plus F into H of X. F into G of X equal to F composite G of X. F into H of X equal to F composite H of X. Here F composite G plus H of X. You removing X. Therefore F composite G plus H equal to F composite G plus F composite H. I am going to question number 12. If F is mapping from R to R, F of X equal to 3x minus 5. Prove that F is a bijection. Find its inverse. What is the meaning of the bijection? Two conditions satisfied, it is a bijection. First condition, F composite G into Y equal to Y. Second one, G composite F into X equal to X. These two conditions satisfied, it is a bijection. Then f of x is nothing but a y, g of y is nothing but a x. This one very important. Now what is given? F of x equal to 3x minus 5. F of x is nothing but a y. Y equal to 3x minus 5. Minus 5 inside plus 5. Y plus 5 equal to 3x. X equal to y plus 5 by 3. X is nothing but a g of y. So g of y equal to y plus 5 by 3. First condition, f composite g into y equal to y. First one, f composite g into y. F of g of y. F of g of y. Y plus 5 by 3. It is the form of f of the bracket term, you take it for x. F of x. F of x equal to 3x minus 5. 3x. X replacing by the bracket term y plus 5 by 3 minus 5. 3 cancel. Y plus 5 minus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 cancel y. First condition over. Now I am going to second condition. Second condition, g composite f into x. Formula g of f of x. G of f of x 3x minus 5. The bracket term you take it for y. G of y. G of y, y plus 5 by 3. Y in terms of bracket term 3x minus 5 plus 5 by 3. Plus 5 minus 5 cancel. 3x by 3. 3 cancel. X. Equation number 2. Equation number 1. So from 1 and 2, so f composite g into y equal to y. G composite f into x equal to x. Both conditions satisfied. Therefore f is a bijection. Then one more question. What is the one more question of find its inverse? X is already find out. Second one, find its inverse. So x already find out. X equal to y plus 5 by 3. Here already taking g of y equal to x. G of y equal to x. F of x equal to y. F inside f inverse. F inside f inverse of y. So f inverse of y equal to y plus 5 by 3 or y replacing by x. F inverse of x equal to x plus 5 by 3. I'll go into question number 13th one. W of x is given 0.3 3, 5, x. W means weight. Weight given. X is a positive real number. Now, so x is a positive real numbers. Weight 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. First, when x equal to 0, when x equal to 0, W of 0, 0.35 into 0, 0 into any term, 0. When x equal to 1, W of 1 equal to 0.35 into 1, 0.35. When x2, W of 2 equal to 0.35 into 2, 0.70. Up to when x equal to infinity, W of infinity 0.35 into infinity. Infinity into any term is infinity. So the largest value infinity, the lowest value 0. Find the domain. Therefore, domain equal to least value 0, largest value infinity. Domain equal to 0, infinity. Now I am going to 14th sum. S of t given, S of t equal to minus 16 t square given. It is 1 1 to prove. What is the definition of 1 1? First, I given the definition of 1 to 1. So to prove, it is a 1 to 1 function. 1 to 1 function definition. F of x equal to f of y. So this implies x equal to y. It is a 1 1 function. So first one, s of t1 equal to s of t2. S of t1 minus 16 t1 square. S of t2 minus 16 t2 square. Minus 16 cancel. t1 square equal to t2 square. You removing the square, taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. So root square cancel t1. Taking square root, root square cancel t2. Taking square root, we get plus or minus. Plus or minus means two possible. One possible plus, another possible minus. But minus is not possible. The only possibility is a value must be positive. t1 equal to t2. Therefore, it is a 1 1 function. Therefore, it is a 1 to 1 function. Second one, you should draw the graph. Graph means before you should draw the table. T. t s of t. T can take the values 0, 1, 2. 0 substituting minus 16 into 0, 0. T1 minus 16 into 1, minus 16. 2 square 4, 16 into 4, minus 64. We should draw the graph. T s of t 0. T0 s of t 0. So 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0. T1 s of t minus 16. T1 s of t minus 16. So 1 comma minus 16. T2 s of t minus 64. 2 comma minus 64. Take that scale, join this line. So, thank you children.